Welcome to my channel. Hello kids, I'm your teacher Zell. Welcome to science class. Science 3, Quarter 3, Week 1, Day 1. Our learning objective: at the end of the lessons, the learner should be able to demonstrate how object can be moved by pushing, pulling, rolling, and carrying. Today, we're going to study about moving object by pushing, pulling, rolling, and carrying. How can we make this ball move? What are the things do you see that are moving and not moving? What is moving and what is not moving? Bouncing the ball, kicking the ball, pushing the ball with our hand, throwing the ball, and etc. Look outside. These things you see that are moving and things that are not moving. How you know what is moving and what is not moving? Today, you are going to learn how objects move. Alright, let's do the activity. Match the picture with the correct action word from the list provided. We have here number 1. What is your answer? Answer is letter E, push. Next for number 2. Answer is G, flip. For number 3, we have answer is letter E, F, pull. Next, for number 4, we have I, roll. For number 5, we have D, deer. For number 6, C, black. Number 7, H, kick. Number 8, J, carry. Number 9, B, press. For number 10, A, stretch. Do activity 1. What are the different ways to make an object move? Your instructions. Number 1. Select 5 objects that you see around your classroom. 2. Draw a picture of each object in the box below. 3. Think about how you can make each object move. 4. Discuss your ideas with your group. What objects did you choose to draw? How did you make the objects move? Now, for the activity, write the letter of the correct way of moving an object. We have here choices: A. Pulling, B. Rolling, C. Pushing, D. Carrying. The first picture, what is your answer, kids? It's letter A. Pulling. Next picture. Answer is letter C. Pushing. Third picture. Answer is letter B. Rolling. Fourth picture. What is your answer? Letter D. Carrying. Fifth picture. What is your answer? Letter C. Pushing. And the last picture. Answer is letter B. Rolling. Good job, kids! Perform the following actions. The rest of the class should identify the action and categorize it as a pushing or pulling action. We have here for number 1, carrying a bag. Carrying a bag is pulling action. Rolling a dice, pushing action. Tying your shoelaces, pulling action. Zipping your clothes, pulling action. Kicking a ball, it's pushing action. Describe a real-life situations where you would need to move a heavy box from a hallway into a nearby room. Explain each of the 4 actions: pushing, pulling, rolling, and carrying, and how you might use them to complete this task. How can we make objects move? By pushing, pulling, rolling, and carrying causes an object move. What is a force? It is a push or a pull. Read each question carefully and choose the correct answer. For number 1, what does it mean to push an object? A. To lift it up. B. To roll it on the ground. C. To move it away from you. D. To bring it closer to you. Answer is letter C. To move it away from you. 2. Which of these objects can you roll? A. A ball. B. A book. C. A pencil case. D. A backpack. What is your answer? Answer is letter A. A ball. When you pull something, you are A. Throwing it. B. Moving it away from you. C. Pushing it. D. Bringing it toward you. Answer is letter D. Bringing it toward you. 4. What is the best way to move a heavy backpack? A. Roll it. B. Push it. C. Carry it. D. Bounce it. What is your answer? Answer is letter C. Carry it. Number 5. You want to move a toy car forward. What should you do? A. Pull it. B. Push it. C. Roll it. D. Carry it. answer is push it. Good job, kids! Thank you for listening. See you next time.